Launching a brand new ute into one of the most competitive markets in the world is no easy task. You are going up against Ford, Toyota, and decades of buyer loyalty. So when Kia decided to enter the dual-cab ute game with the Tasman, they knew they had to make a massive splash. But here is the real question. Can a Kia actually beat Ford and Toyota at their own game? I tested the top-spec Tasman X-Pro to find out, and the answer might surprise you. The Kia Tasman comes in 6 trim levels, with pricing starting at $42,990 before on-road costs. But the one I am testing today is the range-topping X-Pro, and it will set you back $74,990 before on-road costs. Now that is more expensive than a Ford Ranger Wildtrak with the biturbo 4-cylinder engine, which costs $69,890. On paper, the Tasman looks pricier than its direct rivals. But here is where things get interesting. You get an absolutely stacked list of equipment that justifies every dollar. Let me run through what you get with the X. There are X-Track and Rock off-road modes for serious trail work. A Harman Kardon premium sound system that actually sounds incredible. Underbody protection to keep your investment safe. Heated rear seats, which is almost unheard of in a ute. Ventilated front seats for those hot summer days. Memory settings for the driver's seat. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin that gives it a premium feel. 17-inch wheels wrapped in proper all-terrain tires. A heated steering wheel for winter mornings. And here is the kicker. A sunroof. Yes, a sunroof in a dual-cab ute. I cannot think of another work truck on the market that offers that. But wait, there is more. Even on lower grades, you get dual wireless phone chargers, blind spot cameras that display right on your screen, twin 12.3-inch displays that look like they belong in a luxury sedan, remote parking assistance, and a tub liner included. When you compare it to rivals like the Toyota Hilux GR Sport at $74,310, the Mazda BT5 OSP at $72,195, or the Isuzu D-Max X-Terrain at $70,500, suddenly, that price tag does not look so crazy. Now let me talk about the warranty, because this is huge. Kia offers a 7-year unlimited kilometer warranty. Think about that. 7 years with no distance limits. Most competitors cannot touch that. Sure, Nissan offers a 10-year warranty, but it comes with conditions and fine print. Kia keeps it simple and comprehensive. Servicing intervals are set at every 12 months or 15,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Standard stuff for the segment. Safety is where the Tasman really flexes its tech muscles. It is rated 5 stars by ANCAP, though that rating does not officially cover the X-Line and X-Pro variants because they have different front ends. But make no mistake, Kia loaded this thing with every safety feature imaginable. You get all the basics, like autonomous emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and driver attention monitoring. But then it goes way beyond with highway driving assist too. This system combines adaptive cruise control and lane centering to actually perform autonomous lane changes when conditions are right. I tested it extensively, and it works brilliantly. So here is the catch. The top-spec Tasman costs more than a comparable Ranger. The styling is polarizing, and it is a first-generation product from a brand without ute heritage. But what you get in return is the most tech-loaded, feature-packed, well-equipped dual-cab ute on the market today. If you value innovation over tradition, the Tasman makes a compelling case.